are at 1046 Woodbine Avenue in Oak Park. You're looking at where the 6-inch Y's in to the main line in front of the house. We are pulling back to the pit in back of the in the back of the house. This is a 6-inch post line video. When I get back to the manhole, I'll go into another little side connection from the pit and where we put a 2-foot spot repair. 6-inch post line. Going in to the 4-inch line that comes into the little manhole in the back here, and we put it where we put that spot repair.